안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to introduce a dish called beef and mushrooms rolls. Recently I tried the steaming beef and vegetables together and dipping them in the sauce, and it was so delicious. Would you like to try making together? Today I will be using enoki mushrooms. I bought them from a Korean market. Trim the ends of the enoki mushrooms like this. Hold the ends and rinse them lightly under running water and shake to remove excess moisture. Cut the chives into 2.5-inch lengths. If you have a zucchini sliced thinly, I will use it later with meat. If you have a carrot, slice about half of one. If you don't have a zucchini or carrots, you can skip. I bought thinly sliced beef for shabu shabu from a Korean market. It should work well as bulgogi meat too. Place the thinly sliced beef on a cutting board or plate and put a bit of chives on top. Also add some enoki mushrooms. If you don't have chives, you can just use enoki mushrooms. Roll the ingredients from the end. Let me show you how to roll up one more. Roll up the remaining ingredients in the same way. Once you've rolled all the beef, put them in the steamer. Place a layer of rinsed and drained mung bean sprouts on the bottom of the steamer. When you put the beef mushroom rolls on top of the bean sprouts, the juices from the meat will seep into the sprouts, making them delicious. Place the beef mushroom rolls on top of the mung bean sprouts. Also add some zucchini. Add a bit of a carrot as well. Eating steamed carrots adds both flavor and health benefits. You can add your favorite vegetables as well. Sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper according to your taste. When the water starts boiling, place the steamer on top. Cover the steamer with the lid and steam for about 5 minutes. If you steam the meat for too long, it will become tough. While the meat and vegetables are steaming, let's make a dipping sauce. Chop a bit of onions. Slice one green onion thinly. If you have red chili pepper, finely chop half of it. If you don't have them, you can skip them. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. If you don't have honey, you can use sugar instead. Squeeze half a lemon. If you don't have a lemon, you can add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Also add about 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Mix everything well. If you dip the meat and vegetables in this sauce, it will be so delicious. After 5 minutes, wow, the beef and mushroom rolls are perfectly steamed and delicious. How to eat? You can either dip them in the prepared sauce or sprinkle the sauce on top. Let me try. Wow, it's really tender and delicious. How was today's recipe? I used to always grill or boil beef, but trying steamed like this not only gives a great taste, but also seems to be healthier. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.